Hindi sasagot.
Tangina mo, ano na? Bomba na! Gamo na yan siya. Kupal yan eh.
Pansin.
Next gift!
Hindi na ito babasahin.
Ay, basahin mo muna siya. Loud and clear.
Hanggang ano lang ako. Hanggang dito lang.
Basahin mo na.
Nagpasalamat pa nga eh.
Hello, our Filipina goddess. Thank you so much for being you because you make me so many people happy by doing so. Continue to put smile on people's faces. But most importantly, don't forget yours as well. Alagaan mo si self ng may mabuti. Kasi hindi nakakausap yung may sakit. Eme, ha 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 ha. I hope you know how proud I am of you. And all of the things you've achieved. And sana marami pang opportunities ang dadating for you.
Wait lang,
And
yung
the
crinkles mo ako may bulok na ito.
I promise to support you in everything you do and make you feel love because you deserve it. I love you so much and I can't wait to see what's ahead of you and your drag. With lots of love, Seiya. Sabihin natin Twitter.
At IG yan eh.
Ay, di ba yan?
Ay,
Hindi, may
at
TWT.
skirt